Hello, Accounting 203 students. This is Professor Hassey one last time for our summer session of Accounting 203, Financial and Managerial Accounting. Today's date is Sunday, July 30th, and our course concludes today with your posting of the final examination and your 10K project paper. The course evaluations, should you desire to do so, are due by Wednesday, August 2nd, and our course grades will be posted no later than Friday, August 4th. So you can come on the Blackboard and see your course grade for our class. One of the things to note, I have posted all the grades right up to the minute, so you can go to your Blackboard and see where you stand as you post your final examination. If you've submitted your project paper, that has also been graded, so you can get a good idea where you stand heading into the last 25% of our class with the final examination. And everybody in this class is in pretty good shape. You've done a great job on a very difficult online class. It is not easy taking basically 2 courses of accounting in an 8-week period, financial and managerial accounting. And you all have done excellent. And I want to thank you all for your engagement and your participation this summer. It's been a pleasure. A couple of things to go over. If you go to week 8 in your file folder, you'll see this will help you basically on the final examination if you're having a little trouble with managerial accounting. Remember, most of our course, about 6 weeks of our course, has been on financial accounting, which is the preparations of accounting transactions and financial statements. The latter part of our class has been on managerial accounting, the definition of using accounting for managerial techniques, budgeting, defining costs, to help management to be more efficient in running their businesses. And that's what managerial accounting is all about. And there's basically 2 jobs in a company for that. If you're a financial accountant, you prepare the financial transactions, you prepare the general ledger, the trial balances and the financial statements, and even work on the audit, a review of the accounts. If you're a managerial accountant or a cost accountant, you're in charge of defining the cost and pricing of your company to make it more efficient and profitable. And that's what we try to cover in these 8 weeks of our class. A couple of things to note. I'd appreciate it if you do fill out the course evaluation. It helps me and it helps the program be better, to serve students better. One of the difficult things about online education is, as you probably well know by now, is many faculty teach it differently. But to try to be a little bit more consistent from class to class is very important for the student. And that consistency is helped by getting feedback from you about our program. So if you could do that, I would appreciate it. Also, another thing, remember now I am part of your business network here at the University of La Verne. If any of you need any information about future courses, the program, please feel free to call on me or email me in the future. Also, if any of you need a letter of recommendation, I have found that having a professor in your business program or a couple of professors in your business program provide you a letter of recommendations about the quality of your work, about the program or the course that you took, can prove very helpful in applying for jobs or trying to get pay raises at your existing companies. That can be a handy little tool to have a couple of those letters on file in your hard drive. And whenever you feel like looking at new positions or going forward, you can show this to people about a recommendation from a professor in your business program. I think that's very helpful. I offer my services for that. If any of you need that, either now or in the future, please feel free to contact me and I'd be more than happy to provide you a letter of recommendation. You all have done well. So as we conclude this week and the course, let's just take a final look at where we stand. We have basically 2 things due today, 45% of your grade. If you've already posted your 10K paper, I have graded it. So a remaining 25% of your grade is done on the final examination. Take your time with it and post it today's Sunday. If you're having unforeseen circumstances or problems, just let me know, and we can work it out a late posting if you so desire. It just helps me getting everything posted this evening so I can get the grades to you and everything processed in a timely fashion. But again, if you're under the gun and you need some extra time, please feel free to let me know today, Sunday, and we can work out an additional posting of your work. So again, thank you very much for all of your work in this class. As I indicated earlier, it is not easy. Online education is difficult, but I think you all have mastered it well, and I wish you much success in the future and in the future of this business program. You will go on from here with this class and get into your 496 class, which is your business seminar, which will use a lot of this material, especially the financial statements. So again, I'm at your service in the future if you need any help or guidance. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great rest of your summer. Good luck this fall, much success, and we'll see you all down the road. Adios, everybody. Bye-bye.